Hi there! Today I'm making a video of how I made this Harry Potter backpack. You may notice my mouth moves when I'm not talking. It's because I used parts of another video and narrated what I wanted to say. I made this backpack for someone and she wanted me to publish a video, which I gladly agreed. This video is by no means a tutorial. It only demonstrates the work that goes into making and creating one-of-a-kind unique bags, and we can all agree that I'm a better sewist than a videographer. I designed the applique snow owl for the flap and put a handy zipper inside. The strap has two adjustable sliders, one on each side, and the side panels are made with holographic vinyl which glisten in the light or with movement. It's kind of rainbowy and seems magical to me. I put strap hardware on the back main panel along with stabilizer. The stabilizer gives the purse a certain crispness I like. I sewed the front to the back at the bottom. Then I added foam, which gives the sides a soft firmness. The holographic sides are really cool. I couldn't add firm stabilizer to the vinyl, so I added it to the lining side pieces. I used shiny vinyl to create the owl. Okay, the main panels are sewn together and I'm just going to quickly add these side panels. I'm just going to speed right through this step, so hold on to your hair. It's going to fly off. Next, I turn it right side out, which is hard on the thumbs, but it's all worth it. Then I sew the lining in the same way I sewed the outside, only I don't have to deal with all the hardware. Yay! And magically, in the video, the flap was sewn on. Now I'm ready to put the lining in the exterior and finish it all up. Thank you for purchasing the Harry Potter Owl Bag Purse, and I hope you enjoy it for many years to come.